Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an invisible folder on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, make sure you're on your desktop. Then just go ahead and right click on it. Then just click on new and create a folder over here. And then just put the folder somewhere. And after that, what you have to do is just go to search and search for character map. And then just open up character map. From here, just scroll all the way down till you find a blank character. Just select it and copy it. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and rename your folder. Then just paste the name of that blank character and hit enter. As you can see, the folder's name has been hidden. And after that, just right click on the folder, click on properties and click on customize. So from here, just click on change icon. Then just scroll to the right till you see a blank icon like this over here. Just select this, click on OK, and click on apply. And there you go, you have a blank folder right over there. And basically that is how to create an invisible folder on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.